Students, we are given this question: dy over dx is equal to x negative y positive 5 divided by 2 times of x negative y positive 7. I'm going to be rewriting this as follows. We get, so this is going to be dy over dx is equal to x negative y. I'm just clubbing them together. Positive 5 divided by 2 times of x negative y positive 7. Now I'm going to take x negative y to be equal to z, and then I'm going to be differentiating with respect to x. So when I do that, differential of x is 1, differential of dy was going to be dy over dx, and differentiation of z is going to be dz over dx. Okay, now I'm going to be moving dz to the left and moving dy over dx to the right. So this is going to be the substitution that will go in 1. So therefore 1 would now be rewritten as, in place of dy over dx, I'm going to substitute 1 negative dz over dx is equal to x negative y is taken as z. So z positive 5 divided by 2 times z positive 7. Now move this dz over dx to the right and move this quantity to the left. So that would give us, so let me use the space here. So this is going to be 1 negative of z positive 5 divided by 2 times z positive 7 is equal to moving dz over dx to the right. So taking the LCM as 2z positive 7, this is going to be 2z positive 7 negative z negative 5 is equal to dz over dx. Now 2z added with a z with a negative sign will give you z. 7 negative 5 will give you positive 2 divided by 2z positive 7 is equal to dz. I can move dx here. In fact, I cannot move that because dx is a different variable, but this is a z variable, so just retain it as it is. Now the best way is move this down, move this up, and then you move dx. So that it would be giving me 2 times z positive 7 divided by z positive 2 times dz on the right side. On the left side it's going to be dx. So now we would be integrating both sides. We get, the statement is important, you need to write this statement. So that is going to be integral of dx is equal to integral of 2 times z positive 7 divided by z positive 2 times dz. Now you have to integrate this. Now this is actually, if you see the numerator, the degree is 1 for the variable z. See the denominator, the degree is 1 for the denominator z. So what we got to do, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So this is the law of integration. So if you were to do that, you will get the following. So you need to place a 2 there, because 2 multiplied with z would give you 2z positive 2 times 4. So change the sign, you get 3. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient. So what is happening, this quantity is rewritten as 2 positive 3 over z positive 2. So this is how the quantity is written. This quotient is written like this, times dz with the integral symbol. Of course, don't integrate it, the quantity integral dx on the left, just retain it as it is. Now this is going to give you integral 2 times dz, positive 3 is a constant, and this is going to be integral dz divided by z positive 2. On the left it's going to be dx. Now the problem is complete if you perform this integration. So this is going to be 2 times z positive 3 times ln of z positive 2. Integral dx would give you x. So this is the quantity we have got, but we know that z is equal to x negative y. So if I were to substitute that, that's going to be 2 times of x negative y positive 3 times of ln of x negative y positive 2. On the left you got a x there. Now I'm going to be rewriting with all this quantity on the left, so that's going to be 2 of x negative y positive 3 times ln of x negative y positive 2 is equal to x plus arbitrary constancy. So this is the complete answer for this.